west. My tanks full west. Hold. Walk now. Hold. My tanks take space. Not yet. They're dropping everything. Remember what's happening? They're dropping everything and then we counter. Yeah, get ready to demon in front. Hold. Spread more. Spread more east side. Spread now. Spread. Defend. Potion. Walk west side now. Hold them down. Full fucking west. Hold them down. West. Hold them down, my tanks. On loan. West. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Massive clap here. Hit this. Nice. Now come east.
Another engage coming up.
Come east. My tanks hold them down. Full east now. My tanks hold them down. They're engaging. They're looking. My tanks hold. My tanks fucking hold. Everybody keep coming northeast. Northeast. Collide with ally. Regain, come back. Come southwest now. Southwest where I am. Holding. Shallow. Keep coming southwest. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, hit this on low. On the golem. Now come back again. Potion, helmet. Go northeast. Collide with ally. Move fast, my boys. Please faster.
I need heal.
Faster, go northeast. My tanks hold them down. My God, you're so slow. Why are you guys now pulling back pa? Go northeast. Rigger and come back. Same zone rigger.
Need to heal. Let's go. Watch out.
Police.
Enemies looking.
Yo, we're sandwich series. Can we pull down? Come south. Yo, rigger and come back fast. South. Come to loan. Rigger and come back. Where's Shio? Where's my healers? Come south. My tanks in front.
I'm looking in northeast.
My tanks in front. Hold them down. Just walk. Get ready to defend. Northwest in 5, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this where I am. No, come back. Come back. Come back. Come down. More. My tanks do not hold the choke. Come down. Listen.
Engage.
Remember what I taught you. Not yet. Give me cooldown.
5 seconds.
Ready.
Get ready. We're gonna walk up again. Come west side. You're standing, Yurius. You're standing lang, Yurius, yeah? Hold. Let me push. Yo, kid, go back. Come south. Yo, tanks, don't stand at the fucking choke. Reel them in. Bro. Get ready. We're gonna counter for hot dog. Not yet. Look north at the choke shallow. Look north at the choke shallow. Not yet. They're gonna drop everything north now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this north now. Come back. Kulang talaga DPS natin ah. Wala na yung defense. Hold.
Oh, tanalag.
Out the front.
Walk
Walk up now. Come southwest. Walk up and come southwest.
Defense ready.
I know. Come southwest. We're gonna push creed.
One more engage coming in.
Southwest. I know. Southwest. My D-tanks hold west. West. Hold this down. Keep coming down southwest. Get ready to potion. Potion now. Where I am. On loan. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Massive clap on me. Nice. Deleted. Run them down.
Engage coming in.
Run them down. Hold. Come east. They can still it. Come east. Not yet.
No,
Everybody else, we're gonna look at north. Get ready. Not yet. Give me cooldown. Get ready. Spread. Come south. Deep. Hold them down. Don't let them run.
Tanks if you're too far back.
Keep coming. Mount up. Start mounting up and come in front, my tanks. Just keep walking down south.
There's 3 swings south.
Are they pushing in?
No. Just keep kiting. They're mounting up. Southeast.
Go. How about the flank? The enemy flank. Turn back, turn,
No,
turn,
they
turn,
didn't, no, they
turn.
didn't. They didn't, ano.
Turn. Catch
Oh,
this
there. Some.
Walk down. My tanks west.
Southwest side, 2 screens.
Get ready, where I am. West. Hold these tanks down, hold this. West in 5, shallow.
73.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this on me shallow. Hit this on me shallow on these tanks.
They're going around southeast side, up the hill.
Up the hill, get off the hill. Come south. Northwest. Defend. Get ready, defend. Look at this guy. NP Tam. Qs and Ws. Hold him down. Stay northwest. Stay NW. Southeast. Get ready. Give me cooldown.
Ready.
Walk with low. Look at east side. East. On this choke. East. Where I am in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this where I am. Smash. And then pass through. Pass through south. Inside. Where they came from. Bomb squad. Defend. Come south. Full south. Regroup on lone south. Okay, walk north now. Regear and come back again. North. Yo, Qs and Ws on this guy. Walk north now. It's fine. Walk northwest. Stop combat looting. Just keep walking. We're still fighting. Northwest. Get ready. Shallow. Northwest. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. In this tanks. Lahat talaga ng PS boy. Come back.
I'm dead already, bro. I'm dead.
Regear, come back. Team zone. They're coming. Don't let them push down. Come down. Stay south. Get ready. We're gonna full push on them. Yeah, we're gonna full push on them on the next rotation. Let me know if you have demon armors. Do not push up. They're looking. Come down.
Off the choke, DPS, off the choke.
Come down. Get off the choke. You ready? We're gonna look at northwest and then we're gonna hit full west. Yeah. Bomber. Not yet. Hold down the choke. Kidnap these tanks inside of us. Roll down those tanks. Kidnap them. North now. Full north now. Walk north now. North. Oh, no. West. Walk past through the choke and come west. Where I am, north and lone and the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this on the stairs now. Everything. Nice. Now come back south. Hold. Defend on the stairs. Defend. Defend. Okay, it's fine. Walk up a little bit now. One more engage. Heal you not on the choke. Give me cooldown. Walk up now. Walk up the stairs now with everything that you've got. Get ready. 5 seconds on the opposite side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Massive on the opposite side. DPS. Come down. Wala talaga DPS boy. Ang problema nito. Hindi na mamatay. Come down.
Healers, go walk up a bit near the staircase.
Help up in front. They're looking. Top of loan. Loan is dying. My healers, walk up and heal loan. Regear and come back fast. My DPS, please, for the love of God, hit in the middle, bro. Where I am, bro. We walk up and fucking molest their people. Not yet. Okay, you walk now. Everybody walk. Everybody potion now. Potion. Full west where I am. West, far west into their backline. West, walk up where I am in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this where I am. Finish it off. Take space. Do not run now. Do not go back. Take space here south. Defend. Do not run now. Qs and Ws, push them out of the Terry. Qs and Ws for the people inside of us.
Heal Captain Kid, guys.
Heal up. Inside of us. Get ready. Cool down. Give me cool down.
Ready.
Defend. Get ready. Where I am. Defend northeast. Qs and Ws for the mobs inside of us. Mobs muna, inside of us. Where I am?
Hey,
5,
heal low,
4,
heal
3,
low.
2, 1. Hit this inside of us. Hit this inside of us. So that our healers doesn't die. Good job.
Just keep watching northwest side. They might go around. Yeah, they're trying to go around.
You ready? Give me 10 seconds. We're gonna hit northwest, yeah? Not yet. Defend, engaging. Walk now, northeast now. Walk only. Come to loan, on the second stairs. On the second stairs. On loan in 5, on 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Hit this. Now come back. Good. Fucking good. Come south. Come down. Pray and come down. We don't have any defense. Good job. That's how you fucking do it. No fear. You woke up and no fear. Walk north now. On loan now. On this side of loan now. Get ready. One more again. Deeper
5
than their
seconds.
fucking asshole, yeah? Get ready. Walk now. Guard runes and drop defense. Northwest. Deeper. Just pass through their tanks. Just walking. Northwest. Deep. Walk. Northwest. On the mage. In 5. Northwest. In 4. 3, 2, 1. Into this fucking mage. Nice!
Yo, disregard.
No, come back. Helmet and come
Yo,
back.
disregard in coast.
Helmet and come back. Come back where we came from. Stabilize here.
Yo, disregard in coast ah. Going
Yo,
going to us,
disregard
going to us.
coming back. Hold on me. We're gonna hit again. Help Shirue. Yo, my tanks don't get free electricity, bro. Come down. Kill the guards here. Help kid. Heal kid, my healer. Kill the mobs around us. Mobs first. Defend in front. Get ready, on loan.
Yo, disregard goes in.
They're looking northwest side.
No, disregard zoning in. Yo, Urius, disregard, zoned in. Get ready, shallow on loan in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the shallow. Come south more. Kill mobs behind us. Kill those mobs. I want one tank to go there. Jags, puntahan mo nga, Jags.
Southeast.
Puntahan mo yung disregard, Jags.
Copy.
Walk northwest now. Walk. We have 5 seconds cooldown. 5 seconds. Come to low now. We wipe this. West. Full west. Where I am. West. In 5. West in 4, 3, 2, 1. Full west now. Hit this west. Smash. Nice. Come back east. Defend, come back east. Where we came from. Far deep where we came from. Good. No dead. Get ready, walk south with low now. 5 seconds, wait again. Walk northwest. Smash them. Final fucking engage. South fucking west, bro. Show these motherfuckers, bro. Come southwest. Don't let them run. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this. Oh, ano? Takbo ka ngayon, boy. Putangin mo, 1v1. Gago. Tell Surf to come here. Putangin na niya.
Level 22 low na.
Hindi papalagyan. One.
Tanks mount up and look for the block. That might come from help.
Finish up everything. One more guy, oh.
Talag lag ako.
Tanks mount up.
I think
Here.
they're going home
Yo,
low.
here. Yo, come to loan. Yo, I need help here. That's disregard. They're not get. I'm asking them to come.
All of you is inside. 3, 2, 1.
Mount up.
Wala,
Putangin na
low,
nila
low,
lahat.
low.
Gago. 1v1, boy. Putangin na nyo.
Tanungin ko, fight?
Gay. Palagan mo.